Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to Multan Public School YouTube channel. Assalamu alaikum students. I am here Misbah with your computer science book of class 10th. Students, here we have some last topics of chapter number 2. These last topics are basic statements, operators in basic, assignment operator, type conversion, assignment statement, input-output statement, read data statement, read statement, restore statement, input statement, print statement, and print using statement. After that, your chapter is complete and finished, so you can do your exercise yourself very easily. So listen your video lecture carefully. Difference between GW basic commands and GW basic statements. This is very important question and mostly in board exam we have this question. अक्सर ही ये question आ जाता है कि what is the difference between GW basic commands and GW basic statement. So I will tell you that GW basic commands are executable instructions which are operated in the direct mode. They do not require a preceding line number. यानी कि इन GW basic commands जो होते हैं वो directly execute हो जाती हैं और इनको किसी भी तरह से किसी लाइन नंबर की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. GW basic statements are written as a program and each statement is preceded by a line number. GW basic statements mostly एक प्रोग्राम को मतलब कंप्लीट करने के लिए GW basic statements का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है और ये प्रोग्रामिंग में प्रोग्राम लिखते हुए स्टेटमेंट्स का जो इस्तेमाल किया जाता है उसमें लाइन नंबर्स के साथ इनका इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. यानी कि GW बेसिक स्टेटमेंट्स में लाइन नंबर्स का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. इनको एग्जीक्यूट होने के लिए भी लाइन नंबर का होना ज़रूरी है. सो GW बेसिक स्टेटमेंट्स आर रिटन एज ए प्रोग्राम एंड ईच स्टेटमेंट इज प्रीसीडेड बाय अ लाइन नंबर. Today our topics are basic statements and operators which are used in basic computer language. Students, first I will tell you about the uses of these statements. After that I will show you practically how you will use in GW basic language. First statement is end statement. This statement is used to terminate program execution, close all the files and return to the command level. Just only you will write end and your program is to be end. Next is the remarks statement. This is non-executable statement and it is used only to add explanatory remarks in the program. Stop statement. This statement is used to terminate program execution temporarily and return to command level. Operators in basic. Operators are symbols which are used to perform certain operations on data. During the calculations we have used some operators and these operators, the names of these operators are arithmetic operators, relational operators, logical operators and assignment operators. In next slides we will see it in detail about these operators. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations on values. The GW basic defines the following standard arithmetic operations. These operations are like as first one is the addition and we will do the addition of the two variables. Same as in basic language. Subtraction. We will use the subtract sign and we will have the algebraic expression a minus b, and we will have the basic expression a minus b, same as in basic language. In multiplication, we will use, in the computer science, we will use asterisk sign, not multiply sign. In computers, we have used asterisk sign, that is a asterisk b. Next is the division. For the division, we have used slash, a slash b. Next is the exponent, and for the exponent we have used a caret sign. Then we can use, take the exponent of any number. Negation. In negation sign we will use minus sign. So its algebraic expression is like as minus a, and then in basic is also is minus a. Modulus. Modulus means we will use the mod. Mod operation से ये होता है कि we will take the answer of the remainder. We will take the answer of the remainder of the two numbers. When we have to divide the two numbers and the remainder, we have the answer. That is called the mod function, modulus. Integral division. In the integral division, we will do the simply division. That is a slash b, and we will have the answer in the quotient. That is answer returned in the quotient form. Okay. Relational operators. Relational operators are used to compare two values. Mean we have the two types of the answers, that is true or false. They always produce a non-zero value. In most cases, if the relational expression evaluates to true or a value 0, if the relational expression evaluates to false. एग्जाम्पल में देखें, ये जो टेबल दिया हुआ है इसमें देखें, टेबल में equal to है, that is two things are equal, two numbers are equal, then the statement is true. Less than है, if it is to be less than है, then that is value is 0, so the statement is false. Greater than है, और अगर उसकी value 0 है तो उसका answer is false. Less than or equal to है, non zero है अगर उसकी value, तो answer is true. Greater than or equal to है, value is 0, then that is false. Not equal to, then the non-zero is the value, so the answer is true. In logical operators, we mean an expression evaluating to true or false. There are three basic logical operators in BASIC. These are AND, OR, and NOT. The first logical operator is AND. When combines two conditions, evaluates to true if both the conditions are true, otherwise it evaluates to false. The second logical operator is OR, which combines two conditions and evaluates to true if any one of the condition is true, otherwise evaluates to false. Similarly, the third logical operator NOT, when applied to a condition, reverts the result of the evaluation. It means if the condition evaluates to true, the logical NOT operator evaluates to false, and similarly like as others. Concatenation operator. All relational operators can be used with strings to perform comparison. The symbol for string concatenation operation is plus, and it joins two strings. For example, अगर आपने पहली स्टेटमेंट में एक लाइन लिखी है पंजाब टेक्स्ट और दूसरी लाइन स्टेटमेंट में आपने लाइन लिखी है बुक बोर्ड, then you will have to join these two statements by using plus sign by using the string. Then we have to print these two lines with together. Then we have to write in the basic language print A $sign plus B print $sign, and then that is the end of the program. Then when you will have to run, then two statements are to be joined, and then we have the answer Punjab textbook board. This is called concatenation operator. Assignment operator. The assignment operator is used to store a value. string or a computational result in a variable. In BASIC, the symbol equal sign represents the operator. That is, the variable name is equal to the expression. जैसे कि हम x इक्वल टू 10 लिखते हैं, तो इसमें क्या होता है कि x एक वेरिएबल है और इसको वैल्यू असाइन कर दी गई है 10. So the value to the right side of the operator is assigned to the variable on the left side of the assignment operator. This statement is also called assignment statement. Operator precedence. An operator's precedence determines its order of evaluation in an expression. ये आपको एक टेबल दिया गया है, इसके अंदर आपको दिखाई गई हैं मुख्तलिफ ऑपरेटर्स दिखाए हुए हैं और उसके साथ उसकी प्रायोरिटीज़ दिखाई हुई हैं कि किस ऑपरेटर की प्रायोरिटी हाई है और किस ऑपरेटर्स की प्रायोरिटीज़ लो होती हैं. So in the table you can see that the brackets are first having the highest priority, then caret sign, then negation sign, then multiply and divide, then slash, then mod. After that plus, minus, equal, not equal. All the operators, logical operators and relational operators are here. And then in the last is the assignment operators. So this is the precedence table. And in this precedence table you can see and you can determine in its order of evaluation in an expression. Assignment statement. Students, this is another assignment statement. In GW Basic presents two ways to assign the value of an expression to a variable. First, using assignment operator is equal sign. We have discussed in the previous text. And previous slide में मैंने आपको बताया भी है assignment statement का. ये this is another type of the assignment statement. इसमें आप let इस्तेमाल करते हैं और let के साथ variable और उसके साथ equal sign and then giving the expression of the program. जैसे like as let x is equal to 10. तो इसमें क्या होगा कि वेरिएबल को नंबर मिल जाएगा 10. तो इस तरह से आपका प्रोग्राम रन होगा. So this is also another type of the assignment statement. Same as we have used input output statement, read data statement, read statement, restore statement, input statement, data statement, print statement, print using statement. These statements we have used practically, and students, you will see practically I have prepared the video for you peoples how I am using these statements in the GW Basic programming. So kindly please look at in the video next slide. Students, we are here with the basic computer language. Here I will also tell you again how we use some basic statements. So we will see, first of all we will clear the screen. Now I will tell you here the statement of read, restore statement, input statement, print statement, data statement. How we use in the practically we use how, what is the use and how we use it. So I am writing here a small program and you will see how these statements will do the work during programming. Here we will give the command auto for automatically line generating. Now we will give the command read. Here we have given the command read and given the variables a, b, c. The read statement is used values from the data statements and assigns them to the variables. Next is the restore command. restore command, and this restore statement causes the data statements to be reused by the read statement. We can do the reuse the data statements. Next is read x, y, z. We have to print it a, b, c variables, whatever the things we have given in the ABC variables, we have to print it. Print command. Next is again print. What is printing? Printing is x, y, z. Here we will give the data to the variables. Here we will assign the data to the variables. That is the data which we have given to ABC variables. And that is the data which we have given to x, y, z variables. And now we have to end the program and Control C for breaking the line numbers. Control C. Control C. Now we have to break the line numbers. Now we will give the name to our program and we have to save it. I have given the name DEF, or I have given the name GHI dot BAS, inverted commas, enter. Now I will load the program. GHI dot BAS and inverted commas, enter. Now we have to run it. Now we will run the program. Given the command run, enter, you can see that the numbers are written here, the data is coming here. Variables name, ABC variables ने read किया है data 10, 20, 30, उसको read करने के बाद print कर दिया है. That is the program for reading the data and then print it.